Hey, good morning, Pascal Indy here for FirePress. Welcome to your trial, and I want to show you how it's going to work for 21 days and how you can edit your website and do all the great stuff that Ghost can do. And really to resume what you can do with Ghost, you have a great CMS, a content management system. Then you have a membership, so you can have some content reserved for people that are members on your website. You can get payment monthly or yearly, exactly just like you can see on FirePress when you go on the pricing page. And then the last, I would say, big thing you can do with Ghost now is that you can send email directly from your blog. So basically you have a mailing list. So you have all that under one umbrella, and I think it's an awesome solution. So let's see what you can do. So on top right here, this is an email that I got from the good folks at FirePress. Okay, so good morning from Montreal. Yes, I live in Canada, Montreal, Canada, I should say. And you have a trial, and that's going to be the video that I'm recording right now. Cool. Some other details. So for now, so you have a view, and that's the website that everyone on internet, your visitors, are gonna see. So if I navigate, I can see, yeah, it looks like a normal site. All right, and you have edit. So you can click on the link, or if I close that, you can go on your website and go at the end here and type Ghost, and that's the admin panel. Okay, so this is how you edit. You can copy paste the user and password here that I provided because your site is pre-configured. Okay. And now you are in the admin panel. You can see it because you have manage, you have post, page, you can see tags, you can see the members, you have staff, so basically the writers, I like to say, and you have other preferences. Okay, and let's start with just updating something. So I would take this post and okay, I can scroll. Okay, let's say I want to say, yay, my FirePress trial has started. I'm gonna update. On the bottom left, you can see a link here. So yeah, let's click on it. And okay, yes, I can see it was updated, and I can see the output of my work. And let's do another edit. So that image, as you can see, is full length. There's options here, so I'm gonna use that one. And then I'm gonna save. You can always click here, but I prefer to use my keyboard, and I'm gonna use on my Mac Command S or Control S on PCs. Like most documents, you can save with that shortcut. I'm gonna refresh my page right here, and I see that the image has now that length, and okay, looks very good. What we can do, let's go back here, and I want to create a new post. Okay, I'm gonna say my new post. I'm gonna write some stuff. Yep, I'm gonna add a pictures. So here from my computer, I can drag a picture, put that size. And what I can do, maybe you want to add some, I would say some YouTube link or whatever. So here you have some cards that we say that you can basically use, and it makes the whole, I would say, editing experience very easy. So if you click on YouTube like that, it says, hey, what's the link for YouTube? Okay, I'm gonna, let's say, yeah, I like this guy. I'm gonna copy paste that link, put it there, enter, and there we go. I'm gonna save. go here and refresh, because I like to see if I did a mistake or not. And I'm now, okay, where's the video? Okay, I'm not on the right page, that's why, okay? So you need to get comfortable with working with different tabs. So I'm gonna just close that tabs. And now I'm looking for the link of this website. So you can do publish or cancel. I'm just gonna save. Ghost is gonna prompt that view preview. Okay, it's a preview because it was not published yet. So while we are working on the post, it is on the draft mode or on the preview mode, like that. And you can see that the link is kind of funky because it is a preview link. Let's scroll. Okay, and I see that the video is there and it looks very good. Perfect. What else we can do? On every post you have properties. So you go there, maybe you want to put pictures on the top of that. So I'm going to use the pictures that I have for my personal blog. I'm going to save, go on that tab and refresh. And this is the image for that post. What else I can do? I can actually say or set the link for that post. So my new post, it will be something like, hey, camera for 2021's best cameras for 2021. And actually, yeah, that will be like that. Okay, that's good. Let's refresh. Okay. Maybe I want to do add a tag. So you know, when you grow your website, I think it's very cool for your visitors to be able to click by category or by tag. So in Ghost, we call that tag. So right now there's two tags. So there's FirePress trial and there's how to. So I'm gonna apply how to, save, then go on my page and refresh. Now you can see that there's a new tag. If I click on that, I see, okay, so Ghost has put together all the content with that tag. So as a visitor, now I can view all the content regarding to how to. Now you can say, okay, where's the camera content? It's not there because it's not published. Let's publish it. I'm gonna go back on my admin panel and let's say I'm ready to publish. So set it live now, publish. Now we need to take this link now. Okay, now you can see here the link. It looks like a real link, and I can close that that old page, I can say. Okay, and how to. Now we have 3 pages. So here, as a personal remark, I think it's not a good idea to put text on your images because depending on the resolution, if you know, Ghost is fully responsive. So depending on the resolution, your pictures are kind of moving and adapting to the theme. So all this to say that text can crop like that, as you can see, okay? What else I can do? So I'm gonna go back. Oh, just check this out. Okay, and for SEO, right, search engine optimization, this is where you manage your content. So you would copy paste your title. If you don't set this up, Ghost will try just to do common sense on that, but it's always best practice to copy paste your own content and to help basically Google and the gang to say, okay, this page is about that. And you have a cute little preview here. So I like that. And yeah, I think for the moment, this is what you need to know. I'm going to save that. Okay. Go back. What I can show you. Okay, page. So you have this relationship between post and pages, okay? Let me go back on my website here. I'm going to click home or the logo here. So here, all the contents you see there are post. But let's say you want to have something like a contact page. Okay, now I linked it to FirePress. That was a bad example. But usually, let's say you have a contact page. It's kind of unusual to have a contact page right here across all that content. So that's why you have post. So posts don't appear along your content per se, okay? So I could say something like, there is no page. I could do something like an about us. Okay. I'm gonna save. I wanna check this out, the link. That's good. And I'm gonna publish. Now I'm gonna go a bit more quickly because I know you know those steps about us. And then let's say I want to have an about us in the menu here. Okay. So what I would do is to copy paste the link here. Go back on my admin panel and you have design. Yes. So I'm gonna delete that one. I'm gonna delete, yeah, I like that actually. I'm gonna say about us. I'm gonna copy paste my link here, click plus, and I prefer to have, let's say, contact at the end so I can drag and drop my elements here. And you see that there is a secondary. So usually this is for the footers, okay? And to let you know why it's not footer navigation is because your team can have different navigation and it's not necessarily for the footer. So that's why in Ghost, they just call it secondary. I think it makes sense. And usually you would copy paste the same here and the same there. But again, it depends on the design you have. So in my case, I'm gonna do an example with about. I'm gonna copy paste the link right here, plus, and I'm gonna go save. I go on my website, so I'm gonna refresh. And as you see here, there's the link. Okay, so I'm going on and about, and it's working. So very cool. If I go on the bottom here, so on that team, there is no navigation at the bottom, okay? So this is like a classic blog. What else we can do? Remember, I talked about the tags. So this is where you can manage it or manage them. So I don't think I should explain anything here. It's very like common sense. Love it. Members. So when peoples are subscribing to your site, okay? So let's say I want to subscribe. I won't do it, okay? But you put your email here, and then you have the classic, I would say, workflow of, okay, let's confirm that your email is a valid one. So as a visitor, I would get an email, I would click the link, and then on Ghost, it will recognize the token that says, okay, yeah, you validated your email. And then that person is now a member. Okay, so this is where all the members are gonna appear. You can edit them, put their name, put labels or tag for the members. So it's getting really fancy. I love it. And so here again, self-explanatory. Okay, at this point, I think you get the point of how it is easy to edit your website. This is really what I want you to know. Yeah, okay. So let's close all these tabs. So close, close, and close. and here on the page, so you remember that page? It was from that email, right? Then if you want to select a plan, so this is our pricing page. Let me tell you that, like really, like it's really close to my heart, and that's the way I built FirePress. So I say in everything we do, we avoid to lock you in. We make it easy and cheap to migrate in and out of FirePress. So since November 2020, you can even manage, create, upgrade, downgrade, or cancel your hosting plans directly within your Stripe account. So in other words, there's no need to contact us to cancel your hosting plan, okay? Stripe is the gateway payment processor between your credit card and us. Just in case you don't know, like Stripe is bigger than PayPal. So no lock-in also means that you have options. Once your payment is processed, let us know how you would like to configure your website. Okay, and then let's say you do your payment with us. You say, okay, I'm gonna go for it with FirePress. Here are some few links about how you can configure your DNS. DNS is all about the domain name. Okay, let's say I own PascalIndy.com. How PascalIndy.com interact with FirePress, which is the hoster. Okay, so these are the options. Maybe you already have an active Ghost sites. Maybe you need to migrate your content from somewhere to us. So I explained that right here. And this is an option that we offer as well. So maybe you want to have some kind of static home page in front of Ghost. So this is another options that we offer, and I explained it here. But if I take a moment, if you go on my personal website on PascalIndy.com, so what you see here, this is a custom landing page or a static landing page. And then if I go here, that part is managed by Ghost. So you can have that as well on FirePress. And I would say this is kind of an enterprise feature that we offer at no special cost. It's going to cost you like another server for the home page, but I would say all the architecture basically is free on FirePress. Or there's no premium, I should say, for that. Yeah, I think it makes sense now. Let's go back on the start. Documentation and how to. Yeah, I really liked, you go on FirePress, you click on that Google, and maybe you're looking for DNS stuff, and you can see all the documentation about that. So use that when you have some kind of questions. And of course, I'm there to help you along the line. So I hope you're going to enjoy your trial. Thanks for joining us, and see you later. Bye-bye.